Hi guys, we're back. What we're going to be showing you now is, first of all, the 3-inch Fuji angle grinder FA30X 3F paired up with the double-sided milling disc. It's a 3-inch disc, and we're going to power it with a 90 psi compressor. Depending on what you guys are going to be using, whether it's TIG, whether it's MIG, doesn't really affect much of the demonstration part. We're going to be basically simulating that there's a TIG weld right here. We're going to be just basically opening it up, and you guys are going to be able to be real close and see exactly what the profile looks once it's open. So come on close, check it out. With this tool we can also bevel, so it's particularly good for that. So it's super fast, super smooth. It's able to do both things. It's able to do both things depending on what you want. What we're gonna hook up now is the 5-inch. My bad, particularly this is a 4.5-inch grinding disc paired up with a 5-inch Fuji tool, an FA45-6F. And the difference between this one and that one is, as I mentioned before, that this one is a single-sided disc. It means that it just has the sharp edge on one of the sides, and this is designed to either do bevels or just remove flat surface. Let's say you want to bring down one of those fillet welds or butt welds. Let's go back in the shop and show you guys some